Okay, students, let us see the 70th question. Coal crops are option A, hardy, option B, half hardy, option C, non hardy, option D, semi hardy. The answer is A, hardy. Next question, 71st. Which of the following crops has lowest water content? Option A, cucumber. Option B, watermelon. Option D, bottle gourd. Option E, cauliflower. The answer is option D, bottle gourd. Okay. 72. The commercial variety of watermelon is option A, sugar baby. Option B, red beauty. Option C, red king. Option D, sugary. The answer is A, sugar baby. இது எல்லாமே நம்மளுக்கு தெரிஞ்சது தான். ரொம்ப இனிப்பான சுவையான பழம் இது watermelon. So sugar baby. Okay. Let us see 73rd question. Vine of crop of bottle gourd is not staked during option A, summer season, option B, rainy season, option C, early season, option D, late season. The answer is A, summer season. Okay, let us see 74th question. Which one is not the best source of protein? Option A, potato. Option B, peas. Option C, beans. Option D, okra. The right answer is option A, potato. Potato அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து it's not a protein food. That's the answer. 75th question. The cause of hotness in chilies is cucurbitacin. Option B, capsicum. Option C, allicin. D, all of above. The answer is B, capsaicin. That's the answer. Let us see the next question. 76. Which crop is most susceptible to viral infection? Option A, chilies. Option B, tomato. Option C, onion. Option D, brinjal. The right answer is option B, tomato. அதிகமாக வந்து வைரஸ் அட்டாக் ஆகக்கூடிய ஈஸியாக அட்டாக் ஆகக்கூடியது எல்லாத்துக்குமே தெரியும் நம்மளுக்கு டொமேட்டோக்கு ஈஸியாக வைரல் அஃபெக்ட் ஆகிடும். ஓகே. 77 கொஸ்டின். விச் ஆஃப் தி ஃபாலோயிங் வெஜிடபிள் ஹேஸ் அ dioecious behavior? Option A, onion. Option B, cabbage. Option C, bitter gourd. Option D, spinach. The right option is C, bitter gourd. Okay, let us see 78th question. Consecutive use of garlic will reduce the level of option A, cholesterol. Option B, sugar. Option C, uric acid. Option D, none of above. The right answer எல்லாத்துக்குமே நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும், பூண்டு வந்து கொலஸ்ட்ராலை தான் கம்மி பண்ணுது. ஓகே. 79th கொஸ்டின். பல்ப் production in onion is dependent upon option A, temperature. Option B, soil moisture. Option C, day length. Option D, all of above. The right answer is C, day length. 80th question. red color of carrot is due to option A lycopene, option B carotene, option C anthocyanin, option D proponin. The right answer is B carotene. Okay, let us see 81st question. Color of carrot root is affected by option A soil temperature, option B soil moisture, option C all texture, option D all of above. The right option is B soil moisture. Okay. 82nd question. A radish belongs to family Cruciferia, option A, B Umbellifera, option C Leguminosa, option D Procacia. The right answer is option B Umbellifera. Okay, let us see the 83rd. For an early harvest, cucur bits are grown on option A rocky soil, option B sandy soil, option C clayey soil, option E organic soil. The right answer is B sandy soil. 84th question. Tomato fruit is botanically a berry fruit. Option A, option B pome, option D drupe, option E hip. The right answer is option A berry fruit. இது எல்லாத்துக்குமே நம்மளுக்கு ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக கண்டுபிடிக்க கூடிய ஒரு ஆன்சர் பெர்ரி ஃப்ரூட். பெர்ரி ஃப்ரூட் மீன்ஸ் டொமேட்டோ, மேங்கோ இதெல்லாம் கூட வரும். 85th question. The protein of axis below the cotyledons in seed is option A microphyll, option B hypocotyl, option C epicotyl, D none of above. The right answer is B hypocotyl. 86th question. Which type of flowers cannot produce seeds and or fruit? Piscillate. The option A. Then option B perfect, option D hermaphrodite, option E staminate. The right answer is option D hermaphrodite. Okay. 87th question. Degeneration of above ground pods in ginger is due to option A senescence, option B maturity, option D partial senescence, option E over ripening. The right answer is A senescence. Let us see 88th question. In spinach, pollination takes place by means of option A water, option B insects, option C birds, option D wind. இது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப ஈஸியான கொஸ்டின். அதாவது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆப்ஷன் டி இஸ் தி ரைட் ஆன்சர் விண்ட். ஸ்பினாச்சை வந்து உங்களுக்கு வந்து விண்டு தான் வந்து பாலினேஷன் பண்ணும். 89th question. Tender crop cannot tolerate a minimum temperature of option A -2 degrees Celsius, option B -1 degree Celsius, option C 0 degree Celsius, D above all of above. The right answer is option D all of above. 90th question. Optimum temperature for cool season vegetable is option A 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, option B 25 to 27 degrees Celsius, option D 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, option D 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. The right answer is option C 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. 91st question. Which one is not an appropriate approach to control frost? Option A avoidance, option B reduction of heat loss, option C addition of heat, option D transmittance of control. The right answer is option A avoidance. 92nd question. Tomato, chilies and brinjal are grouped as option A cole crop, option B fruit crop, option C solaceous crop, option D summer crop. The right answer is option C solaceous crop. 93rd question. Color development in tomato fruit is due to lycopene, option A, option B carotenoid, option C polypropylene, option D all of above. 93rd, the right option is lycopene, option A. 94th question. Cucurbits consumed at immature stage are grouped under option A summer squashes, option B winter squashes, option C gourds, option D pumpkin. The right answer is option C gourds. Okay friends, thank you. Let us see you on next video.